Welcome back to the Ash Academic. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to run AI coding models in your local. If you are a beginner for the Ollama, how to install in the Ollama in your local, like how you can run Ollama in this video perfectly for you. You know, as a if you are a developer or DevOps engineer or a student who want to use AI for coding, you want to pay some subscriptions like API keys and some monthly subscriptions you want to purchase, and you have to write codings, right? If you take ChatGPT or if you want to Copilot, Cursor, you want to buy some subscriptions and you have to use it. Instead of the buying some subscriptions, you can install Ollama and you can use cloud, AI, everything in your local. I will in this video I will show you how to run AI models in your local laptop. Okay. Um, I already published a blog with end-to-end with step-by-steps. I published in my LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn name. You can just type it Armula Ashwant Reddy in the LinkedIn. You will get it this blog. You can directly access the blog. Okay. I will show you how you can run it. And first of all, you have to know what are the local models is there. Local models is a large language models. It will run directly in your laptop instead of using some cloud servers. It's directly it will run your local models only. No API required, no internet dependencies not required. It's a fully control. It's a good learning. How easily you can write, like if you are uh, doing some open source projects, you can directly install Ollama and some cloud model and you can direct write code. Okay. Um, some like everyone has doing some common mistakes. I seen in my office or some community meetups also. They're directly installing some large models in their laptop. But end of the day, the models it is not working because of their laptop RAM, CPU, GPUs. That's why first you need to check RAM, CPU, and GPU. Okay. After that, based on that, you have to install your model. Yeah. First thing, I need to check my RAM. Okay. I will check CPU. CPU get name. This is my CPU name, and I want to check the GPUs, and I already given some comments here. If you are using the Windows, you can use directly these commands. Wait sometime. Yeah, let's see. Total physical memory 15. Okay, and I will check GPUs. Yeah, it's a graphic interface code. And if you're using the Linux, you can run these commands. Or if you're using the Mac, you can run these commands. And I'll see, like if a RAM is 8, you can go for 7B models. Or if your RAM is 16, you can 7B is the best model for 16 because of it will get responses very fast. And if you want 16 GB RAM and GPUs is 4 to 8, is that means you can directly go for 14B, and 32 means is you can go for the 14B, and 64 GB is there means you can go for the 20B. In my office laptop also I am using the 20B model size only, and this is my personal laptop, that's why I am using 7B models. Okay. See, these the recommendations and everything you can directly install. Okay, first you can install Ollama. This is the command. It will download sometime. I already downloaded. I'll check the Ollama version. Okay. Uh, I pull this model, Ollama pull QWEN3 coder model. You can pull you can pull this model if you're using if your laptop is 8 GB RAM means you can use this model. It's a very quick response it will come. It's a lightweighted, almost 700 MB or below 700 MB only. If you want to choose a 16 GB RAM, you can directly go for these models. And this kind of, my best suggestion is, if you are using the 64 GB RAM means go for GPT or SS 120, or if you are using the 32 means you can go for GPT OS in 20 parameters. I am using 20 parameters in my office laptop. You can easily go for this one. Okay, and once the model is running, you can wait. I'm taking this model. I already pulled the model. It's total 18 GB is there. I already pulled. And see, I taken 8 GB. But if you run the command, it's based on that your local RAM and CPU, it will allocate it to the one uh, best model on your laptop. And you can run this model on your local laptop. You can directly Ollama run 8B. Yeah, at the first time it will take for 2 minutes time. After that you can ask some questions. It will automatically, it will give some answers to you. See, I will ask just, what is Python? You will get the immediately the answer. Um, if I type this question in my office laptop, it will take immediately, within seconds only it will get it. See, it's thinking and it's saying, okay, the user error, what's the Python is thinking, and let me break it this down, and you will get the answer immediately. This is the way. And now if you use Cloud Code directly, you run this command in the Cloud Code. And if your Mac means you can run, after that you can just verify Cloud Code is installed or not. Cloud Code already I install. It will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes time. That's why I already install and I'm recording the video and I install. After that, if it is done, you can directly uh, set these commands. Some go for uh, uh, administration PowerShell command, and you can set these commands. You know, but don't run at a time three commands. One by one, you have to run it, and after that, you have to run this command. See, this is the my local API key. If I hit this link one, it's automatically it will get it. If you want the Ollama is after that, you can directly check it is connected or not. See, it is connected, it is working. Now if you want to run Ollama, like type Ollama list and you can just type this command. I'm launching the Ollama. Okay. See, Cloud Code, it gives some suggestions, some models, and based on that you have to go and like GLI 4.7 flash, and it will give some when it's there. I taken GWN 3 8B parameters, and I'm just typing here. It will ask you in this folder only I can launch it or not. It lost, and you can set as it's automatically. You can whatever you can questions you can ask it will suggest you. See, this folder is secured or not. If it's secured means it will done. If you type I, it will take it and it will give the answer immediately. Okay, and it will take time 1 minute. Okay, now you want to Cloud Code have to connect it to your VS Code means directly go to the VS Code, download this extension. Once the extension is run means it go to here. I install this extension. After that, you have to go to here and click models. Here in the models, you have to select your local models, advanced model. Here you have to select the models. Okay. See, this is the model. Automatically, it will redirect to the model here, GP3 3.83. If I selected here, it will take it here. Otherwise, you can just type. If you're not able to see here your models, just click plus add models. Here, select Ollama and it will redirect to this Ollama downloaders, and you can just select auto detect and just connect auto detect and connect. It's automatically it will connected, and if you type any questions, it will see I type JS, it's given the help. No, but my best recommendation is you have to choose first your RAM, CPUs, and everything. After that, you have to install. If you before only it will install means if you suppose if you install 20 parameters means almost it's consumed like 64 GB of your local space. That's why you have to choose first local GPUs, CPUs, and RAMs. After that, you have to follow this entire documentation. It will be good. Okay, guys, and thank you for so much for watching this video. In this document, first you have to go through this entire document. I have you can study these documentations. If you have any doubts, you can ping me in the comment section. And